And now, the famous synchronized waiting theme song.
Long about the third week in June, in Bell Buckle, the weather's hot, it makes the bells all swoon.
Swoon.
In Bell Buckle, we pull it out, we fill it up, we wear our sleeves, but that just ain't enough. We get into the pool and really strut our stuff in Bell Buckle.
I just heard that the RC King took off.
On the horse he rode in on, man. You know what I'm saying?
Straight from the horse's mouth?
The RC King has left the Bedford County Buckle.
And he's laid up with a bunch of horses, man.
He's acting like a headless horseman.
I know, right? He's horsing around on festival day. You know what I'm saying?
Does anybody know this horse? He could be a horse of a different color.
MIA on festival day with an unknown horse?
Of course.
Hold your horses. RC could be led astray because horses, like small-town girls, can be wild.
Sadly, mild horses could drag RC away.
Mild horses could drag him away. Mild horses dragged RC away.
Dear me, I do believe I'm getting vapors. I warned y'all, I warned all y'all, I warned all y'alls we should have built the wall.
We should have just beefed up security around the town.
Beefed up, man. Yeah, like with bell buckle cows, man. You know what I'm saying?
No! Mounted security patrolling our streets on horses like
Neighborhood watch.
all the king's horses.
And all the queen's men do tell.
It's simple. When RC is with MoonPie, it makes life less complicated.
This small town living is easy to do when we have each other to get us through. Sometimes we forget and complicate life. We should keep it simple like RC and MoonPie. Yippee-ki-yay, lay that cell phone down. Yippee-ki-yay, take a look around. Yippee-ki-yay, give your neighbor a smile. Have an RC and MoonPie and just sit a while. Yippee-ki-yay, give your neighbor a hand. Let's work together for a better